Yo guys, welcome to a new video. So as you may know, I got my PC here and I got here this little platform from where the pump for my water cooling is on. But I actually lay my phone quite often here on this little on the front from this platform. So I thought why not just put a wireless charger underneath it, so it will my phone will be charging every time I put it on there. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So you have to make sure that this is on the right way underneath it, because it won't charge at all the places. So you have to find a good spot and then glue it on there, or however you want to do that. So I'm gonna do that, and after that I'll be back. So you've got here two indicator lights, one that will show if your PC is on or off, and another one that will show you, I don't know exactly, but something like if data is writing, I think. But that one isn't really necessary for me. I never use that one. I never watched that. So I will change this LED then to the LED that was originally in the wireless charger, which will show if a phone is charging. So then, if a phone is charging, you will see it here, which I think is pretty cool. I will do it with this red light inside my Core P3 right here, because I think a red, and I don't want it to be orange. I want it to be something else. I want to do white. I think red is kind of an orange, so I think that is better. So that looks better. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna connect the the light pins here from my wireless charger onto this from my light, and I will cut this through so it won't receive the data for the light. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So so it's done. So when I put now my phone on here, then it will charge and that LED will turn red, and when I remove this, which I will do now, it will go out, as you can see. So it works. I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.